a lot of these technologies innovations are about now improving the employee experience. And I think that's been a real shift in payroll. We've seen talent now being a driver for workforce productivity, being able to retain the best talent, be able to attract the best talent, which is obviously what I'm involved in. But also the payroll now, a team now has a much bigger role to play in improving that employee experience. So can you talk a little bit about some of the innovations from a tech perspective that have come into the payroll cycle that are aimed at improving that employee engagement experience and that payroll cycle experience?
Let me start by commenting on your employee experience, which I think is something that's probably much more contextual today. Given the way the employee morale have to be boosted in today's time, they're all alone working from home, and it's exceedingly getting important that the employee experience is elevated. And I guess AI and ML come to a huge rescue out there. And it's not only from end user perspective, but also from professionals like us who are managing the payroll day in and day out. How does the employee experience there get elevated by using our AI and ML platform? Coming back, I guess the entire concept around employee experience to me, Nick, is the autonomy that you give to your employees in terms of their data and in terms of their processes. How much can they control? What's the kind of transparency or visibility do they have on their data? Do they have on their processes? Are they dependent too much on their help desk? Are they dependent on any third party to do their job? And I guess that's where we introduced a whole lot of features that aim to elevate the employee experience. And starting with, as you rightly pointed out, the virtual assistants, which we call as chatbots. And these chatbots are not only transactional, which means they can apply leave for you, they can pull up your payslip, but they're a lot more intelligent because they're learning from your patterns and they're trying to prompt you to take action. So a simple example could be if you don't turn up for office, the chatbot would prompt you to say you haven't applied for leave because you haven't reported to the office during your reporting time. Do you want me to apply leave for you? So it's more like prompting you. And then there is this intelligence angle that comes into the picture. So a simple example could be, I got my payslip and I'm not too sure how the entire payslip has been calculated because what I got last month looked very different than what I got this month. And the chatbot will help you understand after using the AI prowess or AI algorithms to say, hey, last month you bought some additional shares and hence the tax implication was different. Or your CPF looks different because you have moved into a different age bracket and hence the CPF computation looks very, very different. So it's trying to give you meaningful insights by analyzing the past patterns and the historical data that it's sitting on.